Hey, what do you say? It's your old pal Cadillac Joe D. This is the sights and sounds of the Legends Ride reception, which was at the legendary Buffalo Chip. Just a few shots here, and you're going to see a little bit of music from the band with my old pal Charlie Brechtel in the unusual position of playing backup. So check it out and enjoy. It was a great time.
Song. It's called The Wanderer, because we know what kind of guys you are. Well, I'm the kind of guy who likes to run around. I know the girls are, you know where I'll be found. I love them and I squeeze them, cause me they're all the same. I hug them and I kiss them, they don't even know my name. Cause I'm the wanderer, yeah, I'm the wanderer. I travel around and around and around and around and around. I got Flora on my left and Mary on my right, but Janie is the girl that I'm gonna be with tonight. And when she asks me jelly, hey, who do you love the best? I look over my shirt, man, I got Rosie on my chest. Cause I'm the wanderer, yeah, I'm the wanderer. I travel around and around and around and around. I roam from town to town, and I live my life without a care. I'm as happy as a clown, with my two left feet and I go nowhere. Well, I'm the kind of guy who likes to move around. I go from place to place, I never can be found. And when I find myself maybe falling for some girl, well, I jump into that car, my man, I go driving around the world. Cause I'm the wanderer, yeah, I'm the wanderer. I travel around and around and around and around. Charlie Brechtel! I'm falling for some girl, well, I jump into that car and drive around the world. Cause I'm the wanderer, yeah, I'm the wanderer. I travel around and around and around. I'm the wanderer, yeah, I'm the wanderer. I travel around and around and around and around and around. All around.
For information on the Legends Ride, go to the website that you see on your screen. Also, be sure to visit the Sturgis Motorcycle Museum and Hall of Fame and our new virtual Hall of Fame online at SturgisHof.com. Thank you very much.